Welcome everybody. The reason why I'm making this video is I've been struggling with my weight most of my life, and during this process I developed the ways how to keep my weight under control. Maybe you are the person who struggles with your weight and you are looking for ways how to keep it under control. Maybe you tried already all of the diets. Maybe you tried all the products. Maybe you tried different food and nothing worked for you. So maybe here is the place when you can learn something and you can take something for your daily routine. Every one of us is unique, but at the same time we are very similar. Maybe some of the ways which I will show you will work for you. You have to try. You have to open your mind. Imagine yourself that this is the last day of your life and you're on the deathbed. And you realize that if by changing some of your habits, you could live 10 years longer. You could live 10 years longer, be around your loved ones, your children. Would you do some of those changes? If the answer is yes, you are in the right place at the right time. Welcome aboard. Come on over. Maybe you can change your life. Maybe you can keep your weight under control. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and always fight for your happiness.